What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got something incredibly exciting to share with you. The Alienware Aurora R16 gaming desktop. The beast machine is packed with jaw-dropping specs that will blow your mind. So grab your favorite gaming snacks and let's dive into the gaming powerhouse. So before starting the video, link is given in the description and you can buy this PC. Alright. The Alienware Aurora R16 is a gaming desktop that redefines high-performance gaming with its sleek design and jaw-dropping impacts. It's a true masterpiece. Let's take a closer look at the specs that make this rig a powerhouse. Let's talk about the processor. Aurora R16 is powered by a 12th gen Intel Core i9 processor. This CPU is an absolute monster when it comes to gaming and multitasking. You will experience lightning fast load times and smooth gameplay, no matter what you throw at it. For the operating system, we have got Windows 11 Home. It's the latest from Microsoft, designed with gamers in mind. You will have access to a ton of features that enhance your gaming experience and improve overall system performance. Now let's talk about the graphics. You will see NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 with 12 GB of GDDR6X VRAM. This GPU will handle ray tracing and high-res gaming with ease. Say goodbye to lag and hello to stunning visuals. You will also see 13 GB of DDR5 RAM. Multitasking is breeze and you can run all your favorite games and apps simultaneously without breaking a sweat. As for the storage, there is a massive 12 TB M2 PCI NVE solid state drive. So you will have plenty of space for your game, files and more, and everything loads in the blink of an eye. So how does all this power translate in the real world gaming performance? Well, we put the Alienware Aurora into the test with some of the most demanding game on the market, and this PC performed exceptionally well. All the games run smoothly at ultra settings, and ray tracing capabilities of RTX 4070 made everything look jaw-dropping beautiful. Whether you are into the competitive esport title or immersive single-player adventures, this desktop can handle it all. Now let's talk about the design and connectivity of the Alien Aurora R16. It's got that iconic Alienware aesthetic with customizable RGB lighting, so you can make it your own. Plus it's packed with ports including USB Type-C, HDMI and more. Connecting your peripherals and VR headset is a breeze. So that's it guys. The Alienware Aurora R16 gaming with its 12th gen Intel Core i9 with RTX 4070 and the lightning fast storage is an absolute gaming powerhouse. If you are serious about the gaming and demand the best performance, this is the desktop for you. If you enjoy this review, you want to see more gaming and tech contents, be sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from me. And as always, drop your comments below. I will love to hear your thoughts on this epic gaming rig. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video. Bye bye.